Hello, hello. So in this video, I'm gonna do my eyes for work. Not the rest of my face, my eyes only because I have to wear a mask. With the cake palette, this will be my last time using this palette for this time. I have used it 10 times. I forgot to put a little check mark there, but the last time I was at work, I used it twice more, so that equals 10 times. So I'm going to use this today. This will be my last, and this will be an actual review because I've used it so many times in a row. I haven't used anything else except for this palette. And I got some thoughts. So, Glamlite Cake Palette. Let me prime my eyes. Do you like my new setup, by the way? It's actually kind of an old setup, but I'm using my colored brick background once again. And I'm going to be doing a decluttering video. Not really decluttering. What I mean to say is a makeup room clean out organization, not like makeup decluttering. That's something completely different. But yeah, so now that I've reorganized my room, I am gonna do a video. I haven't finished completely yet, and I'm going to work today. But I spent like 5 hours the first day that I started working in here, and then yesterday I didn't really do much in here. I moved some more stuff around, like I put this table back here, and I found my little coffin letterboard, so I got that up. So hey, likes are free. Give me a like. From Umbrage. Yeah, my eyes are still dry, so I need to exfoliate and or yeah, very carefully and just moisturize the shit out of those. Okay, so Glamlite Cake Palette. I did use every color at least once. Most of the colors I used more than once. The only colors I only used once, I will try them again in the future, but not for right now, was the Red Velvet. Now, or was it Red Velvet or Raspberry? Actually, it was the Raspberry. I'm sorry, Raspberry. That was the one that originally caused me a kind of like a reaction, and then I used Tony Moly, that watermelon stuff, and that just made it even worse. My eyelids were basically puffy. They didn't itch. It wasn't my actual eyes, but my eyelids got puffy. And then on my last day of work, I used Cranberry and I used Peach. I think Red Velvet too. Anyways, I used those three colors once, and that day my eyes were a little... You could see there was a little bit of reaction again, so Glamlite does say they are vegan and cruelty-free, so I don't know what is in these that would cause me reactions. I didn't have reactions with any other color, with any other shimmers, so... And I've never had a reaction to makeup before. I will have to look and see what's actually in these ingredients that might possibly annoy me, but like I'm allergic to things, but like just plants. You know, I've never been like told I've been allergic to Quaternium 13 or whatever. I know, very specific. I had a coworker that's allergic to that. So I'm gonna do a look for work. What am I gonna do? Yeah, so I didn't have problems with any other colors. None of the purples were patchy. None of the colors were patchy, actually. So I very much enjoyed the palette. I can't complain about any of it. One day for work I used chocolate and dulce de leche and the cinnamon color, I think in the carrot color, and that looked really nice. So, even though it was quite the neutral color. So, what am I going to do? Look, I think I'm just going to go for the purples, because I do love purples, and that's more acceptable, I think, than blue. So yeah, so I'm going to do probably Purple Frost and the Ube color. So I'm going to do Ube first. Let me bring in... Ooh, there we go. It's raining outside. Can you hear the rain? If you can hear the rain, let me know down in the comments down below. Anyways, okay. So this is... Yeah, my eyelids are still... They're still dry, but that's fine. I'm going to work. I'm not going to make this too dark or anything, so just going to be a very simple look. Yeah, definitely need to I'm going to look up about how to exfoliate eyes carefully, because of course I don't want to mess up my eyelids, because I know it's very sensitive skin. So, yes. I'm just going to wing it out at the end. Yeah, kind of digging on the Annette's way of makeup. Let me know what you think about my background. If you've been here for a while, you probably saw this when I first started doing my videos, and then I kind of switched, and then that's when you started seeing the white shelves in the back. But yeah, so now the way I have my room, I can kind of set up, I can kind of film in 3 different areas actually, which is pretty impressive. So also, I am not going to do any wrestling content on this channel. I think that perhaps wrestling and makeup, as much as I want to combine them, I just don't think there's much of a niche there. So it's super niche, and I don't want to confuse the YouTube algorithm, so I'm going to do a separate channel for that, and I might even ask my husband if he wants to do that with me. I don't know what he'll say, but if you're watching, honey, hi, because I know you do. Oh gosh, it's raining so much. I actually got a thunderstorm warning, severe thunderstorm warning, so that kind of sucks. I do not want to walk. I might not even bring the rest of my makeup with me, to be honest, because it's a whole box, a whole bag itself, because it's just raining so much right now, and I have to walk basically a mile to the trains, which sucks so much. But yeah, so wrestling content will move. I might do some of the exercise and diet stuff on here, but again, I might, I think we are going to do a separate channel for that, because both me and my husband want to work out, obviously, and it's still so sparkly from earlier. That's hilarious. Okay, anyway, so yeah, I think we might do separate channels for that. As much as I don't want to. I would love to have it like all on one channel, but you know, the people that have liked my channel, you know, I know they come here for makeup, and I mean, like I've said before, I'm no expert. This is why I created this channel, because I want to learn, and I'm just sharing with you how I'm learning, you know, the process. This way I can also kind of look back on it in a year versus just playing. You know, this is like literally documenting, which is... Now another thing is, if I start these other channels, would it be cheating if I stopped uploading here every day, but still upload it every day, because I would be uploading to the other channels? I don't know. Let me know down in the comments below. Okay, so I got that ube color. Now I'm going to go for the Purple Frost, which is that darker one. I'm just going to use the same brush just because I can. And I'm just going to go more in. I believe that these kind of look like very similar once I put them on my skin, because that happened the last time I used them. Yeah, it just kind of looks like a deeper color, which is odd because in the pans they look very different. Like, I might try one of these blue shimmers though. Let's try this. Okay, well that deepened it up, so that's cool. We'll see if they say anything about this at work. We'll talk about my shoes, but not my makeup. Wow. This might... I don't know, what do you think? This might be too much for work? It's okay, I'll keep some makeup wipes with me. What is this? This is a Voldemorphy Jafar Starship. Why do I still have this? I don't know. It's a brush. I bought it before I knew how he was. Sorry. Do not support anymore. Me. That's me. You know, you do you, whatever. But if I want to destroy my makeup, I will destroy it. Or destroy the brushes. Okay, so I'm just using, this is actually my Project Pan highlighter. You know what? I don't like this anymore. Like, compared to all my other highlighters, like, I don't know, has it gone... I almost feel like it's gone bad, because I remember this performing so much differently, like just looking so much nicer. Whatevs. Okay, so I'm going to take... Don't break it. I'm going to take Blue Raspberry. I'm going to put that in the actual crease. But what I'm going to do is I'm not going to do a cut crease, so I'm just going to pick it up. I'm going to pick it up with my brush, just like my last video, and I'm going to spray it with my Chatty Everyday Vacay setting spray. If this looks like shit, or if it looks like too much, I will just take it off and not worry about it wearing it at work. And we'll just count this as playing. I got a little time before I gotta go to work, so. And it's such a pretty color. It's like kind of hidden. Yeah, it's kind of hidden. That's great. I do like this idea of wetting the brush. I'm only using my setting spray. I'm not using anything else. I know that Annette uses actual, like, it's called Fix Plus, I think. I don't know who makes it, but that's an actual thing, I guess, for this. But, you know, you can use water, you can use setting spray. You don't have to go out and buy that product. You don't even need, like, specific brushes, to be honest. I mean, maybe that's just, you know, that's just my opinion. But, you know, work with what you got. You know, if you don't have super expensive brushes, like, don't worry about it. You know, if you get makeup subscription boxes, you likely have a ton of brushes anyways. Use what you got. And really, I don't think it matters a whole lot. You know, between the differences between all the brushes. You could use any brush. Use what's comfortable, you know. Like me, I just take random brushes, and I have specific brushes I really, really like, but I wanna clean them. So, but I have tons of brushes, so that's why I'm just kind of like grabbing and like looking to see what I could use. I gravitate towards smaller brushes, of course, because I have super duper hooded eyes. Okay, I was just cleaning this brush up, but I think I need to pat a little bit more down here because it looked like it was a little patchy, which is odd. I think I'm going to use the strawberry, the sparkle strawberry. So I'm just wiping the same brush off in my color switch. This will be, it'll look stained, but it's just stained. That's all it is. So I'm going to pick up strawberry. But yeah, in terms of if you should get this palette, yeah, hell yeah, get this palette. I think it's great. You know, my eye irritations came from only the reds, and there are people who get eye irritation from only like red type colors. So that's just apparently a me thing. And we will see if the same thing happens with these. I will report on it another time. I might have to go in with another color because this is like super dark. Maybe I'll use the carrot color. Yeah, I'll use or the guava as like my inner corner. And you know, what is this? This is just experimentation. We all need to experiment, practice. That's how we get better. That's what I said in my previous video, and it's true. You can't get better if you don't practice. So this video is so long. Let's just see what guava looks like here. It's lighter. I probably should have used that one originally, but it's still not like inner corner worthy. Fuck it, I'm just gonna go into banana. The shimmery yellow. I think I did this once before. Okay, yes. That looks so much better. Yes. And just as an added bonus, let's just try this. Little bit. Oh yeah, okay. At least right there it works nice. Maybe it just has to be on top of something else. This is the highlighter. Just in the itty bitty inner corner. Okay, I'll be right back. Well, I guess my body wanted to make a fashion statement. I was just about to finish my mascara when that bullshit happened. I don't know how I am so graceful on the trains, but on dry land, stable land, I'm such a klutz. Anyways, I'm going to leave that there. I'm going to take it off when it dries, hopefully. So not to smear it around too much. But otherwise, that's a completed look. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. I will see you tomorrow at 3 p.m. Talk to you later. Bye.